Hello, welcome back to another tutorial. Now today we're going to be a weird one. We've got the rear tail LED tail light out of a 2010 Mitsubishi Lancer. Now the tail light's not going at the moment. We've put 12 volts across the terminals on here and it's open circuit. It's not working. So we're going to pull this apart. So without further ado, I'll be back shortly and we'll start. Okay, we're just about to pull this tail light apart. It's all factory sealed around here. Not meant to be pulled apart, but it can be done. So what I'm going to start doing is using a blade, hammer, and I've just got to break the seal. So you've got to keep working your way right around that edge, right, so you can break the seal right around there, and then we should be able to take that off and we should be able to locate the problem. So I'll continue, I'll be back shortly, but I'll continue when I've got this all cut around, okay? Okay, I've worked out a little bit of a quicker process. Once I've got the blade in that lip, I can just tap along the join. Like so. Should be able to do the same over here. And we're getting there. We are getting there. Yeah. I'm just going to put some sound music on that. I don't work without music. Okay. Rule number one. Working. And look at that. She's separating. Look at that, she's separated. Here we go. Now we've hit a snag. It's got little rivets. But I can see that the main fault is just dry joints on that actual connector. So we can solder that without pulling the board out. I'll just try to zoom in on here and show you what I'm talking about. So just where the connector is on the back, it's just dry joints on the connector there. So I've only got to solder that and we're up and running. Okay, I'm just going to solder that up. Through the peg. Okay, so I've soldered the joints on the pins. There's only one board with half a dozen LED light lamps on it. They're all in parallel. There's only two connections on the board, and that's where they'll dry jointed. Okay, so with a power supply, 12-volt power supply, you've got a little arrow on top, on the back of the housing, which is up, and positive is to this pin here, all right, which is okay. So you connect positive positive power supply to there, negative, and there we have. Welcome back. Yeah, we've got our Mitsubishi Lancer 2010 rear tail light fixed. Very simple repair. A lot of this electronic stuff has basic faults. People go and throw them away, buy a new one, they're wasting money when it can easily $10 job to get fixed. So all I have to do now is all I have to do now is a bit of silicone back around there, and she's all a goer. Before, when you tap it, it used to stop and start. So all done. Catch you next time, and please subscribe.